everyone, my name is Shilpa and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you one of the foundational steps in creating a website. How we decide what section the site needs. For the redesign of Fafadia Tech, a company whose mission is to help small and medium firms grow, it was critical that each section of the site served a clear purpose. So if you are working on a website and wondering what page to include, stick around. I'll walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Align with the brand purpose. The first place we start is the brand purpose. For Fafadia Tech, the brand promise is to help businesses grow using technology that's smart, dependable, and practical. So when selecting sections for the website, we ask, what does the brand need to show to its audience? What are the questions a visitor will ask when they land on the site? From that, we decide some must-have sections. About us to build trust. Services to show what do we do. Portfolio to show the proof of the work. Resources for help and insight. Contact to know how to engage. This section reflects the mission and ensure the site became a tool for growth, not just a brochure. Step 2. Understanding the audience need. Next, we look at the audiences. Who they are, what they came to the site to do, and what they expect. For Fafadia Tech, the audience includes small to medium businesses who might not be a tech expert, decision maker looking for a reliable partner, and maybe a startup exploring new software. We ask what would they like to find first, what are their key concerns, cost or expertise, what action do we want them to take. Based on those insights, we design the section like services with clear subpages, ERP implementation, offering, core competence, and our approach. ERP, so businesses quickly see and understand the overview. Resources, so visitor can learn and trust. When we map audience need with the site, we ensure every page has a role. Step 3. Mapping content and information architecture. Once we know the brand plus audience, we move into content mapping and information architecture. Essentially, we list possible content items, pages we might need, sub-pages, FAQs, case studies, team bios, etc. For Fafadia Tech, we pulled items like ERP, product, portfolio, services, resources, about us. Then we group them logically. Which one are the main section, which are sub-pages, how deep the navigation should be. For example, main page, our services. The sub-pages will be ERP implementation, core competence, their offering. Main page, resources. The sub-pages will be blog, case studies, GitHub link. By doing this, we avoid chaotic menus and instead build a clear, logical structure that guides the user correctly. Step 4. Prioritizing and validating. Not every content item needs to be at the top of the section. We prioritize. We ask which section are essential for first-time visitor, which can be nested or deferred. For Fafadia Tech, we prioritize ERP, services, project, about, and contact. This should appear at the main menu. Resources, career, FAQs were less prominent, but still accessible. We validate this by checking competitor sites, review analytics, and even doing some quick cart sorting. This step ensures we don't overload the navigation and each section should earn its place. Step 5. Designing section content and layout. After selecting the section, we design how each one will look and function. For each section, we ask what is the primary message, what visual should it support, and what will be the call to action. Taking Fafadia Tech service section as an example, we make sure that the headline explains what will they do, followed by sub-service, visuals of technology, then case studies link and contact CTA. In portfolio section, we show proof of competence and reliability, so visitors see what Fafadia Tech delivers. This design step back earlier to the decision so everything stays consistent. Mission, audience, content structure. Step 6. Maintenance and future proofing. Finally, we keep in mind that the website evolves. So while we select section, now they must be future proof. For Fafadia Tech, this means leaving space for new services offering, example, new technology stack, etc. Ensuring the service section can grow, blog, post, etc. Keeping the navigation flexible so we can add new industry or case study without breaking structure. We also build the site so that updating or adding section is simple because brand grow and web content must grow with them. By designing with future in mind, we make sure that the site remains efficient and reliable, just like Fafadia Tech brand promise. So that's how you decide what section a website needs. Start with the brand purpose, understand the audience, map the content, prioritize, design each section with intention, and plan for future growth. For Fafadia Tech, this approach helps us create a site that's efficient, reliable, and easy for visitors to understand and trust. If you are creating your own site, follow this process to create a website that truly represents your brand. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.